everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Sorry you guys, I'm still trying to get used to that name. So anyways, so welcome back to our channel. So I got this happy mail from Miss Alicia from Alicia's Crafty Hoplop here on YouTube, and OMG, so this was a nice surprise. I sent a whole bunch of Christmas cards out, and some of my good buddies are the ones that did not receive a Christmas card. Why? Because I was so short on time by the end of like last minute stuff. I was like, oh my gosh. And then because I was leaving my main people that I wanted to send Christmas cards towards the end, because I wanted to make them more little loving cards, and at the end I was like such in a hurry that I didn't get a chance. So I know you guys will understand, and Alicia, I know you would understand a lot more. You guys were always in my thoughts, and thank you guys for always being so supportive, and thank you for this cute happy mail, Alicia. Oh my goodness, you totally did not have to, but it's greatly appreciated. And let's go ahead and see. So there's a box inside a box. Ouch. So I was trying to prepare myself and not show the address, so I might have to redo this part. Okay, so I might have to re-edit this video because my address, I opened the UPS box and on top of it was this box and with our addresses showing, so I will probably edit that out. Most likely I will. So I am still in the process of opening this box. So you guys are opening it with me, and you guys, if I sound low, it's because my kids are asleep. Their dad is asleep, and I'm always, I don't know, I'm always kind of like embarrassed to do videos in front of them. They know I do videos and everything, but I don't know, it's just, I'm still shy. I don't know, I've been doing this for almost, what, 3 years? Almost 3 years? Oh my goodness, I'm going to be going on 3 years here on YouTube. Anyway, so, yeah, I've been doing this almost 3 years, and I am camera shy in front of them. And I think I opened this backwards, but it's okay. Let me see. Oh my goodness. You guys know, try to recycle your Amazon boxes when you can. Oh, Alicia, you did not have to send me a single thing. And voila! Party in a box. And I found some candy cane, Oh my goodness, Alicia, you are too much. And look at this beautifulness. Oh my gosh, the guys, look at. She decorated this so cute. I know, I think I saw one of her videos and she was so time crunched on so many things. And oh my gosh, thank you, Alicia, for thinking of me and sending me something. I am so behind on sending people stuff. OMG, it's not even funny no more. Oh my goodness. So, oh, I love this. I love this. This is a cute ribbon. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how cute. I have been wanting to do these for my kids' teachers, and I've actually done a few, but not how she's done it. And guess what? It's the red truck. Oh my goodness, I want to yell. OMG. So instead of opening the other one first, I'm opening this one because I'm a little bit more excited for this one for now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You like spoiled me. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at how beautiful. Presentation is everything, you guys. OMG. Oh my gosh. Look at the truck. Oh, I'm going to have to undo it. Oh, it's so beautiful. You know what? Oh my goodness. I'm going to leave it like that because I do want to take a picture of it and post it on IG, even though it's going to be a little late. So I'm going to put all of that right here. So inside there's a spatula. Spatula and some sugar cookie mix. And a tree. Oh my goodness, a cookie cutter. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so beautiful, Alicia. OMG, you're like becoming very creative. I love it. Oh my gosh. And let me see what she sent me over here. Oh my goodness. Let me, oh. Okay. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. And more candy. More candy. Aw. Let me see. Okay, so maybe I'll use these. Sorry, you guys. Oh my goodness, Alicia. And I know she had been working so hard and making so many things for so many people. Look at the red truck. Aww. Thank you. It did lift up my spirits, Alicia. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I don't know when I'll be doing a video update. I'll probably do a video update before I upload this on regards to my mama. So, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start now. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Oh, look at this tag. How beautiful. Oh my goodness, Alicia, you are so creative. Oh my goodness. OMG. This is the Prima paper. Oh, how beautiful. Let me see. Oh, I was gonna say, I don't want to ruin that. I don't want to ruin that topper. Oh my goodness. Alicia, how do you manage to do so much crafting with so much going on? This is so cute. Look at her poinsettia. Oh my goodness. Okay. So she did a bag topper and she put like a lace on the bottom, and then she put the poinsettia. Isn't that cute? And then she put this tag on the top, and this is the French. I know she had done a tassel with this before. This is so beautiful. And then she put a K. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. And then, oh, look it. So this is a tassel. How pretty. I have not seen purple eyelash trim. Beautiful. And then she did it so cute. And then she put these cute beads. I like these beads. Now I'm gonna have to go look for some. And then she put the red on the here, and these are so cute. These are like iridescent. And then she put a snowflake right here. How creative. I love it. And I have this paper pad that is so cute. Thank you so much. And then let me see. Oh my goodness. So I know, I'm pretty sure, yeah, this stopper top is made out of sterling plated pencil. It won't, I think it's just cleaning, it won't turn yellow. And look at her little bags. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can open this. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me see. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. How creative. Oh, I'm loving it, Alicia. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Look at how pretty, you guys. Oh, how beautiful. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to use it on my glue. Okay, how beautiful. So I'm like, I'm all over the place. I craft so hard, I sweat glitter. How cute. And oh my goodness. And I love this eyelash trim that she has right here. And then again, she did, I don't know which, is this like a netting? And then does it already have the snowflakes? How cute. Oh, MG, look at her little tassel. Oh my goodness. I'm always afraid to put these on my purses because I'm always afraid that they're gonna fall apart. How cute. Oh my goodness, Alicia, that is so cute. And there is some hot cocoa for my kids. Oh, thank you. Oh, they will love it. And this is some Lucky Charms. Oh my goodness. Oh, those are marshmallows. And then it has the spoons in here. How cute. Oh my goodness, Alicia, they will love it. Trust me. I'm assuming these are for my kids, but this is for me, right? This is for me? Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Oh my goodness, Alicia. So I was just watching her video today. Today is Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. And she said she used most of her trim already. And oh my goodness, look at that in her bow. And then she used these this candy right here. Oh, how cute. And then I saw when she shared this, I believe she did a project share, and how cute. I like how she just did it. All she did was glued it and put it together, so I can actually reuse it if I wanted to, but I probably won't reuse it because it's too cute. Oh, and these bags are so cute. So, OMG. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. And I love this. These are stars. Can you guys see? Oh, like, look at it. And then there's some snowflakes and a heart in the middle. How cute. I love them, Alicia. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. And then she used more trim right here. And I love these flowers. How cute. And winter wishes, snowflake kisses. How cute. Let me see. And I think these are just die cuts, stamp die cuts. Sorry, you guys. Yeah, I think that's what it is. How cute. Or is it a card? No, it's not a card. That's cute. Oh my goodness. So it's the same thing as this right here. And so this is, I can actually reuse it. And I will start, I actually am going to start reusing all my stuff. So watch out for that, you guys, because yeah, I need to start using my stuff. And oh, thank you, Alicia. She gifted me this die cut. And look at this. She used her bow over here, her heart bow right here. And oh, this one came out a little part. I think it just got pulled. And it has a ho ho ho. How cute die cut. Oh, thank you. And let me see. Let me move this to the side. And she's gifted me a lot of candy for my kids so they can get a sugar high. And won't sleep. And I'll be up with them all night. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh, she gifted me another die cut in here. Oh my gosh, Alicia, you are too much. I am late in sending a lot of mail right now. Last minute, I don't know, so much stress going on. And this is our third year with so much stress in the holidays. I am so behind. Oh my goodness. So the first year, my sister ended up having a kind of like a stroke, and she was in the hospital for a few months. This is the third year. It's the second year. My preterm grandbabies were premature. They were born at 27 weeks, and they were in the hospital for months, and that was in October of last year. And this year, my mom accident in November. So we are gonna be in the we're not gonna like these months for a while. Oh, sorry you guys. So I kind of went over. Oh, cute. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh, I have this die. I don't know if you saw this, Alicia. I have this die in the big one, the bigs, and I will try to send you some. They are so cute, but his foot is not lifted like that. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Thank you so much, Alicia. Oh my goodness, girl, I owe you big time. And I know you don't care, but I'm like way behind in sending birthday Christmas, and probably by then, oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm so behind. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. Thank you, Alicia, for thinking of me, and I really so appreciate this. And just getting back home and opening all this fills my heart, and I really, really appreciate you guys for supporting me and, you know, being here for me. And thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now. I'm sorry.